after writing so many prompts to get the right challenge to do. The challenge is not only going to be a challenge for me, but also going to be very useful for both you and me. I found it. So hey guys, this is day 5 of the 5 in 5 challenge, and today, if you want to do this challenge with me, we only need one requirement, and that is internet access. So without any more waffling, let's get down to business. So hey guys, so I've written the HTML template here, and I've linked it to a JavaScript file here. So to do this challenge, we're actually going to be needing these two things here, this one and this one here. So let's dive straight into business. So now we just create an input here, and that's all. Then create a button. I will say search. That's it, as simple as that. And just create a div that will just going to show the result. As you know, P, so Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. And that's enough. So now I've linked it to my Java. I'm looking to my JavaScript. So now let's select all of this. So let's input equals to document dot query selector input. Yeah, that's it. So let's button btn equals to document dot query selector button. That's it. So what's next we're going to be doing now? I think that's all for now. No, I know that's all we're going to be using this these two things there. So now select URL equals to, so copy this first one here, paste it there. That's all. So let API key equals to, just look for this same one, copy it, paste it there, as simple as that. So what we're doing now is actually now adding the event listener. You're going to listen to the events we want to put there. So click, that's it, comma function, that's it, boom, bam 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 bam. No, sorry. So that's it. So now what we're going to do now is now actually joining these two together. These two, we're going to join this one, and we're going to add this one in between them and joining this together. I'll tell you this one I'm doing that because for this challenge. So let's find now URL equals to URL plus input dot value plus API key. So the reason why I'll be doing this is because let's just put this on live server here. Let's just open our web page. So I want to put this thing here because I'll try doing this. Let's just put this thing here. So let's see. I'll show you how we're doing this now. So let's just put London. I'm not sure. So that's it. So let's just try it out. So this is actually the API, the free API that this site is giving us. This site here is giving us. So this is actually the API. So what I'm going to do now is just getting some data from this API and post it on our web page. That's just it. So this is the first part of the link here. The first part, you can see this is the first part here. So anything the user input is going to be in this middle here. Then the second part of the link, you can see how easy it is. Now let's go back to business. So I think that after that's done, they'll now do something very important here. So we're going to be calling this guy fetch. What are we fetching? We're fetching this final URL. So after the final URL, what do you want it to do next? Then, as simple as just plain English, seriously. Then what you want it to do? Then let me just call this response. We're going to call it a function, a callback function here. So now then what do you want it to do? To respond. This respond is this final URL. This URL. This respond. I want to turn it from a JSON to normal object. So respond, and I say return respond dot JSON. So I've turned it from a JSON to a object. So now let's see dots. When I've turned it back, what should you do next? That's what I'm telling you now.
dot then bam bam. That's it. What we want you to do next is to actually just call this a comeback function always. So bam bam bam. That's it. So after doing this now, so we actually have access to all this data here now. We have access to it now. So what I want you to do now is now display some of these things here, and that we're going to be doing right now. So what we're doing first, let's actually get this paragraph tag here. Let p equals to document, so document dot query selector. That's it. P, that's it. P is that's it. So all I'm doing here now is that just query selector all, because we have more than one paragraph tag here. There, so query selector all. So I'm going to be using the index to select each of them. So why this thing is showing up? Yeah, that's it. So this is. So once we'll first get the name of that place first. I want to first get the name. So now let's do that right now. So p0 dot inner HTML equals to location colon space plus data dot name, because I want to get this name here. You can see, very simple. So now do the same thing for the sun. Let's do for the country also. So p index of 1 dot inner HTML equals to country. Yes, that's it, country. Bam, that's all. Let's see, where's the country here? Where's the country in? So .sys, data.sys dot sy, that's it. So data dot sys dot country. I think country is there. So country, country. Yeah, that's how it's spelled. I think that's it. So and I'll do the same thing for sunrise and sunset here. Bam. So that's it. So 2, 3. Let's call this sunrise. Rise. So data.sys dot sunrise. That's it. So data.sys dot let's just call this sunset. That's it. Data.sys dot sunset. That's it. As simple as that. You can see this is inside the sunset and everything like that. So when people say this, they'll be like, what's the meaning of all this? They'll not give them a description. As easy as it is. And it's called description in that place also. So dot inner HTML equals to description. Let's just say description. Bam. So now let's see where description. Description is in the weather. So I have to go to the weather first. Then we go to the first index of that weather. Then you can find description there. Now let's see. Dot weather. Bam. Index of 0. Dot the description. That's it. The description. That's it. I think everything is done here. So let's now check. Let's see. I type in London, yeah. Type in London, and you can see it tells me the location. Where's the location? London. It tells me the country. That's Great Britain. It tells me sunrise, sunset, and it tells me the description now. In London right now, they've got few clouds. Like that's the weather. That's the description of the weather. I try Ocean, and you can see there. So it tells me NG few clouds. I try Lagos. You can see it gives me clear sky. That means we've got a clear sky right in Lagos here. So that's all, and bye. That's all we'll chat.
If you didn't guess what I created since the beginning of this video, what I created was a quick weather checker in which you can just type in any state that you want, and it's going to tell you your location, it's going to tell you the weather in that place. And if you want me to do an in-depth tutorial, can you say it in the comment down below. And also the thing I used in this video, the API key, the links I used, I'm going to put it in the description. So without any further ado, bye.